You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -1. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Combine like terms. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 6 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. And so the final result is x equals -1.